How to fix no developer options showing in the settings menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on About Phone. Now scroll down and then tap on Software Information. Next, tap on the build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now put in your current screen pin. Then tap on Continue. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu. This time, if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see the developer options available. Once it is turned on, a number of different options available for you to change and customize in the developer options. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.